What's going on, everybody? It's Yap MMA back with another video. It's late night tonight. We just got some news right from Dana, right after Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson. Horrible fight, absolutely horrible fight. Um, but I don't know, you know, it was expected. It was expected. Jake got the decision, easy work for him. I mean, good on Mike for trying to fight, but hey, he was in it for the money. Let's be honest. But that's besides the fact. You know, Tonight, we just got the news. Dana just broke it out. UFC 310 co-main event: Shavkat versus Ian Garry. Ian Garry is no longer fighting Joaquin Buckley at Tampa. He's now going to be fighting number 3 ranked Shavkat Rakhmonov. Undefeated versus undefeated. Crazy co-main. I thought it would still be the main event, but now it's the co-main event of UFC 310. Super fun fight. One of these guys is going to be losing their zero, and I think it's going to be Ian Garry. 100%. Shavkat, 100% finish rate. Ian Garry, hey man, good on him for trying to take this step up, but come on, man. Shavkat's a dog. Shavkat's an absolute dog. It's going to be a fun matchup. I just wanted to break the news to you guys. It's confirmed. Dana White just confirmed it right after the Mike Tyson fight. Amazing way to spice up the night and get some UFC fans hyped up after a terrible performance from Jake Paul and Mike Tyson. So, hey, man, it's going to be a fun fight. Ian Garry versus Shavkat Rakhmonov, man. 5 rounder as well. 5 rounder. Ian Garry is not escaping this fight. Um, it's gonna be a dog fight. It's gonna be a dog fight. I think Ian Gary's gonna be running around, picking his jab, trying to stay at range, but Shavkat's gonna be closing the distance and trying to get that finish the whole entire fight. And I think it's gonna end in a finish. Maybe Ian Garry can get that finish, but yo, this is going to be a fun one for sure. Going to be a fun one. I'm super excited. I want to break the news to you guys as soon as I figured it out, as soon as I found out, as soon as everybody found out. But it's late night, I'm keeping it a little bit quiet. But hey, at least 310 has a fight with Shavkat. Pantoja versus Asakura is the main event of 310. But hey, at least we got a hype co-main event. Saving the card. Ian Garry saving the card, honestly. Respect to the Cuck. Respect to the Cuck. You gotta respect him for this one. Tough test in Shavkat, and he was calling for it. Ian Garry was asking for this fight. He demanded for that Shavkat fight. You gotta respect him for taking it. You seriously gotta respect him for taking it. Even sooner than the Tampa fight. So, hey, we'll see how this plays out. It's gonna be a really, really fun co-main. I think it's gonna end in a finish. I really don't think this goes the distance. I mean, we got 100% finish rate guy versus Ian Garry, who's he's solid on the feet, he's solid on the ground, but is he gonna be able to do enough to beat Shavkat Rakhmonov? I don't think so. I really don't think so. So we're just gonna have to see. I'm gonna stop yapping right now. It's late night. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to let you guys know. And I'm going to be breaking down that fight card when it gets closer to the date. I'm super excited for this one. And I hope you boys have a good night. Like, subscribe, leave a comment what your reactions are on this fight. And good night, boys. Have a good one.